You won't believe the chaos Zuck's Llama causes. It's a total wrecking ball. When Mark Zuckerberg isn't wake surfing at his Lake Tahoe mansion, he's battling Google and OpenAI for artificial intelligence supremacy. Yesterday, Meta released its most advanced large language model yet, Llama 3.1. This model, which is both free and arguably open source, took months to train on 16,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs, costing millions and consuming enough electricity to power a small country. The result is a massive 405 billion parameter model with 128,000 token context length, which benchmarks suggest is superior to OpenAI's GPT-4 and even Claude 3.5 Sonnet on some key metrics. However, benchmarks can be misleading, and the real test of a model's capabilities is how it performs in real-world scenarios. In today's video, we'll try out Llama 3.1 Heavy to see if it actually lives up to the hype. It's July 31st, 2024, and you're watching Next Gen Business AI. The cool thing about Llama is that it's open source. Well, kind of. You can make money off it as long as your app doesn't have 700 million monthly active users, in which case you need to request a license from Meta. The training data, however, is not open source and might include your blog, GitHub repos, Facebook posts from 2006, and maybe even WhatsApp messages. The actual code used to train this model, only 300 lines of Python and PyTorch along with Fairscale, distributes training across multiple GPUs. It's a relatively simple decoder-only transformer compared to the mixture of experts approach used in other big models like mixed draw. Most importantly, the model weights are open, which is a huge win for developers building AI-powered apps. Now, you don't have to pay a lot to use the GPT-4 API and instead can self-host your own model. The big model, however, is not cheap to self-host. I used a Llama to download it locally, but the weights are 230 gigabytes. Even with an RTX 4090, I couldn't run this Llama. The good news is that you can try it for free on platforms like Meta AI Grok or NVIDIA's Playground. Feedback from users online is that Big Llama is somewhat disappointing, while the smaller Llamas are quite impressive. But the real power of Llama is that it can be fine-tuned with custom data. In the near future, we'll have some amazing, uncensored, fine-tuned models like Dolphin. My favorite test for new LLMs is to ask it to build a Svelte 5 web application with runes, a new yet-to-be-released feature. The only model I've seen do this correctly in a single shot is Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and Llama 405 billion failed pretty miserably, showing no awareness of this feature. Overall, it is decent at coding, but still clearly behind Claude. I also had some creative writing and poetry done. Overall, it's pretty good, but not the best I've seen. Last year, Sam Altman practically pleaded with governments to regulate AI to protect humanity, but a year later, we still haven't seen the promised apocalyptic Skynet event of human extinction. AI hasn't replaced programmers yet. It's like when airplanes switched from propellers to jet engines, but no progress towards faster-than-light propulsion occurred. When we talk about LLM, artificial superintelligence is still nowhere in sight, except among the elite of Silicon Valley. It feels wrong to say this, but Meta is the only big tech company realistically remaining in the AI field. There must be an ulterior motive somewhere. But Llama is one small step for a human, one giant leap for Zuckerberg's redemption story. Thanks for tuning in to Next Gen Business AI. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tech insights and updates. What are your thoughts on Llama 3.1 and its potential impact on the AI landscape? Let us know in the comments below. We look forward to discussing more exciting tech content with you. Have an amazing day.